Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to start your own Instagram theme page business, guys, in just a couple of minutes. For complete beginners, you do not need any investment, basically $0, guys, and of course you can do it from anywhere in the world. So just listen to me carefully and of course follow every single possible step that I'm going to show you right now. So what do we need to focus on first right here? We can go to Instagram, guys. You made your Instagram account and everything, so you need to first pick your own niche where you're going to post guys, on Instagram or TikTok. We're gonna get into that. So don't pick something that you don't love just because it's paid the best, guys. Don't pick something that you don't love. For example, if you love pets and something like that, you can make always a theme page Instagram account about pets and something like that, guys. But as I said, right now we're gonna focus, for example, in finance niche. Yes, it's the best paid, but the plus side also is that I really love finance, guys. I study it and everything. I studied economy, so I really have a passion for finance, business, economy, everything, guys. So let's focus on that. You need to go to search, guys, and first to see your competitors. Type in finance, type in business, type in something like that, guys, some keywords, and then you can find some really successful branded theme page accounts. Finance Millennial is the best possible way for me to show you what you need to do here, guys, and of course to show you how you need to set up your page first. You need a cool name. Your name, if you're, for example, we picked, guys, and you picked finance, guys, as a niche, you can't name your page basketball dunks. You can't name it the cutest pets or something like that. Always name it, guys, something related to the niche, guys, something really easy, catchy that people can remember. Finance Millennial, perfect name, guys. Down below you can see they already done amazing branding. So you need to be short form. You need to put straight away some words and sentences that people know what can they expect from you, why they should give you a follow, why they should follow your work, basically. So right here you can check it out. Business, investing, and finance, guys. 3 words. When someone goes to their page, guys, the Finance Millennial, they already know what can expect. Business, of course, investing, and finance. After that, sharing financial knowledge for 2+ years, educate yourself, guaranteed ROI, practical tips to make or save money. So when you read these 3 sentences, guys, really short, really amazing, I can see that this page is led by a man or people who has 2+ years of experience in finance. Then I can educate myself and I can expect guaranteed ROI, and then we can see practical tips to make or save money. So I can definitely experience and definitely receive some utility, some benefits, some perks, something from this page, and definitely they deserve a follow from me because that costs me nothing and I can learn something, maybe earn something, guys. So definitely do it like this. Use ChatGPT, it will help you a lot. And once you're done with your branding, guys, with your bio, with your name and everything, what you need to do else, of course, is to create a cool logo. Pretty simple. That's my advice, guys. Do it minimalistic because you can see they already done it, just a chart right here and then a name, and it's really cool. Combine some great colors. I recommend to use Canva because you can find some really amazing free designs there. Also, we can see posts, guys. Posts are down here, guys, and you need to know something before that. As far as the content, that's where TikTok jumps in. So you can check it out. For example, we're writing financial education, guys. Right here we can find some amazing clips, and then we can download those clips, guys, and post it on our Instagram account. Yes, but there's something that you need to know. First thing first, if it's original creator, guys, always credit the original creator. If you don't do that, you can make yourself some big problems. It can be career ending. Your Instagram can be deleted or something even worse. So please always credit the original creator, guys. It's really a decent thing to do and it's a safe thing to do. After that, what you need to do, what you need to know, guys, is to not post more than 4 to up to maximum 7 times a day because your page will be basically congested. That's right, guys. Your page will be 100% congested, and that's not good for the algorithm. So please think about it. And of course, as I said, 4 to 7 days. After that, you need to go to TikTok, guys, download at least 30, 40, 50 videos that you think will do good, and you can check them out, guys, right here. For example, you can see 900,000 views, guys, 8 million views, 3.5 million. Download those huge number of views content, guys. 30, 40 videos, it will be enough for you for a week, but wouldn't be much of a hustle, wouldn't be too boring for you to post every single day, guys, 4 to 7 times. Yes, it would, and that's why this platform comes in. Later.com, social media management made easy. So basically, as I said, you can download 30 to 40 videos, guys, for yourself. Then just go here, connect your account on Instagram, guys, And then what you need to do else is to upload all of your videos that you want to post on your account, guys, and then you can schedule them. Basically, you can schedule Monday 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m. at midnight. Then Tuesday you can post maybe 2-3 videos, 3 p.m., 6 p.m. guys, and then you can just make your entire table. You can set your schedule, guys, for entire week. You do not have to do anything, and later we do it for you guys for free. It will post the entire week the content that you put it in here, guys, on your account. Sounds amazing. It will solve plenty of your problems, and definitely will save you the most important thing, and that's time. So as I said, that's really important for you guys, as I said, to think about it. Later is here. It's definitely amazing option because it's free. And then, as I said, guys, once you made your account, once you have your name, your cool branding, your great logo, you know how to post, you know how to schedule your content, guys, and everything, you know where to find it and so on. What we need else, guys, is maybe the most important thing. It's, of course, community, it's followers. So what would I recommend for you guys is, of course, to do proven method. Follow, unfollow method. For the first 1,000 followers, follow, unfollow. Follow 30 people a day, then unfollow. Follow 30 people a day, unfollow. Why it's saying 30 people a day, guys? Because if you do more than that, Instagram algorithm will recognize that, will see what you are doing, and then it will forbid you for a couple of days, weeks, hours, weeks, who knows, to follow anyone else. So that's not a thing you wanna experience. So as I said, 30 people maximum a day. Where to find people who are interested in finance? Right here to your competitors, guys, not here in followers. You need to go here, guys, in their posts. Go right here down in likes, and you can check it out for yourself, guys. You can see some amazing people who are interested in finance. You can give them a follow, as I said, up to 30 a day, and you are good to go. Even better, you can see, guys, right here also to your competitors page, you can see their reels they're posting from the TikTok as well. You can see these videos are already edited, already, we can see right here credited, I hope so. So you can check it out. Yes, here's the credit, as I said, guys. Really smart move. So download it from TikTok, guys. Go to later, schedule that, and then you're good to go. And once you have your first 1,000 followers, basically the rest of the game is easy. So let's assume you're done with everything. You do everything right, guys. Branding, name, page, guys, your content. You get some couple of thousands of followers. How can you monetize? How can you earn money? Well, the best possible way for me, my favorite possible way is affiliate, guys. Links, affiliate, promote some products and stuff to your community. And yes, the best possible niche for affiliate marketing is, of course, finance, because you can find plenty of giveaways, plenty of links, plenty of digital products, guys, connected to finance, and then you can paste it and share it with your community and earn commission on that. After that, what we can expect, guys, is, of course, you can make your own digital product. You can promote your own digital product, or even your own real product, for example, some merch or something like that. And of course, the most profitable way, guys, is promoting other channels, companies, agencies, and people, influencers, something like that, just to share your posts, share their posts, guys, stories, something like that. They will be in your DM, guys, business collaboration, stuff like that, guys. How much for the post, how much for the story, that all depends on you. You are the one who sets the price based on your retention, based on your impressions, number of views, followers, and everything, guys. So as I said, it's up to you to have good negotiation skills and to know what's enough and what is too much, too low. I will leave that part for you guys. That's it. That's how you actually monetize, the best possible ways for you to monetize your channel. And after that, if that's not enough for you guys, what you need to do, of course, is to offer your services, because right now you can offer your services to other agencies, companies, people, influencers, because you have a proof that your method works, that you know what you're doing. You have your number of followers, you have your own impressions, your own likes and views and everything, guys. You can show the proof to the people who are interested in your services and say to them, yes, I know what I'm doing because I already done it. You can see it right here. Here's the community, here's the money, here's the followers, here are the impressions and everything. And you can offer your services, guys, and sell them by really amazing price. Think about it, guys, and if you have any other questions about this method, write down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer to you. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.